Hi, my name is Sai Prasad Lendade. I am fourth year BTech student in AIML department. I'm gonna tell you and explain you the linear regression algorithm. This linear regression algorithm, one of the simplest form in machine learning algorithm. It is used as a basic algorithms to start the machine learning to the new student. It is one of the easiest, but it is most important. It is also used in some real life application. We will gonna see in next slides. Thank you. Introduction to linear regression. Why linear regression? The linear regression helps us to understand relationship between variables. It is used to predict outcome based on input models. Very common trend in forecasting and predictive modeling. It forms the base model for advanced ML. An example of linear regression are house price predicting model. It predicts price based on location, area, and number of rooms. Concept description. What? Linear regression model outputs y and input x using straight line. The equations y is equal to m into x plus c. M is equal to slope change in y for 1 unit, change in x. C is equal to interrupt, value of x, value of y when x is equal to 0. It fits the line that best represent, it fits that line best represent the data points. Example, more study hours is equal to higher exam scores. Working mechanism. How linear regression works. Step 1. Collect the training data set of x and y. Step 2. Assume the hypothesis h in bracket of x is equal to m into x plus c. Step 3. Measure the error using mean squared error MSE. The reduce. Step 4. The reduce error by adjusting m and c using gradient descent. Step 5. Stop when error is minimized. An example of this linear regression mechanism, the predicting exam marks hours based on hours you studied. Everything has a limitations like that. Our linear regression model has one limitations. Some limitations of linear regression model assumes the linear relations, not always true in real data. It's highly sensitive to the outliers, cannot be captured complex or nonlinear patterns, performs poorly with many correlated variables, needs to assumptions like constant errors and variance. Example, exponential growth cannot be modified properly. Yeah. In the conversation, the linear regression model summary. The linear regression, one of the simplest and most powerful supervised learning algorithm. It works on the idea of finding the best straight line that describes the relationship between input variables and output variable y. The equation y is equal to mx plus c. It makes easy to interrupt. Why? It's matter. It allows to make predictions and understand trends and quality of relation between the variables. It's widely used in real life application like house price prediction, salary estimation, demand and salaries forecasting, and risk analysis in finance. Some are the strengths. The simple to understand and implement. Works very well for data where relationship between variables is approximately linear. It provides the strong baseline for model moving complex algorithms. Linear regression, it is not a just starting algorithm in ML, but it is also fundamental concept that help us to understand core idea of modeling and relationship between minimizing errors. Even advanced algorithms like logistic regressions and natural neural network built upon the basic ideas. So, mastering linear regression means building a strong foundation of ML algorithms.